Absolutely nothing functions without authority in the earth. What happened in Genesis 3? Man, Adam, relinquished his authority over to the enemy, the serpent or the devil. Jesus came to restore that authority to mankind and to reestablish not our dominion over fish and cattle and fowl and creeping things on the earth, but spiritual authority. Those were natural authorities, but spiritual authority had to be redeemed from God to man. And Jesus was the one who paid the price. The fundamental principle of faith is authority. Ultimately, this is exactly what Satan is after, your faith. Why does the devil want to steal the word from us? Because the word is God's authority in our lives. That's where your authority is. Your authority is in the word. Your authority is not in just your ability. Your authority is not in just your knowledge. Your authority is not in your experiences. Your authority is in the word. That's why he tries to come and steal the word. Because when he steals the word, he steals your power. He steals your authority. He steals your faith. And we cannot have faith without authority. We cannot have faith without the word of God. See, the enemy doesn't want you to have that kind of word knowledge because it brings authority and power in your life. Church, this is not a time to walk away from his authority. This is a time to grow in his authority by being submitted, by being a true person of the word. When we are doers of this, we are exercising our God-given, God-ordained, God-commissioned authority in the earth. And that's what we must do to be the victorious church that Jesus is returning for. The church of glory, the church of power, the church of victory only comes from being a church of authority. And if we don't do it, there's nobody else.